Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today, you know who it is, it's your boy Sagidi. Please, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Always like my videos, you can share them. You know, we are getting a lot of values from the content, some entertaining, some informative, some, you know, I have a lot of content in this channel, so you can check my videos out. There are many of them. You can just take time to watch most of these videos that I'm posting. So today I want to make a video on the topic that trended somewhere last year, and I made a video about that last year, which is concerning Cameroon to ban Nigerian music. You know, so when I made that video last year, it had a lot of, you know, interactions, a lot of comments, a lot of views. So I just wanted to buttress more on that video, because now, a year later, we have not started hearing Cameroon music going viral like Nigerian music. In fact, Nigerian music is even stronger now. You can verify, we have more stronger artists, more stronger videos, more better sound, going more viral, international collaboration from all over the world, bigger artists all over the places coming to Nigeria to collabo, paying a lot of money, Nigerian artists getting bigger paid all over Africa, you know. Then that suddenly Cameroon people, we didn't hear anything from them again. They said they wanted to ban Nigerian music. Maybe that was the reason why their own songs are not getting anywhere in Africa. Now the truth has been revealed, right? Because 1 year later, where is Cameroon music today? That's the question I'm throwing to TZ Panchak, all those guys that were making noise then, thinking that they have mouth, they have bite, they can say something that will stand. You know, they were criticizing Nigerian musicians, calling Naramali names, calling Davido, even TZ Panchak or whatever it's called. Made a video. He said that he's bigger than all Nigerian artists. And when we are talking about, Burna Boy has not even won a Grammy then, talking about Whiskey. And now you can see that the Grammy is now Nigerian thing, kind of, because the new Grammy that is coming up, Nigerian artists have been nominated. And you can see the kind of artist that is vibing and coming out of this country, you know. So my message and the reason for this video is I wanted to just ask Cameroonians and all the stakeholders and the people that was making those plans, how far, you know, how far with the banning, you know, how well is your music industry now? How big is your industry in Africa now? Because as far as I'm concerned, even in Nigeria, we are not even hearing Cameroon music. Okay, it's like when they said that, it became worse, because we can't even recognize any Cameroonian artist, or we can't even see anything that is coming out of Cameroon anymore. You know, it seems as if they wanted to shut their own doors just by their own selves, because the opportunity that they could have created from just a neighboring country, a bigger brother, which is Nigeria, that could have taken advantage of the trending time of Nigeria and collaborate, you know, be friends, come around, you know, tap into the grace, tap into the authority, and you see yourself grow. Because it's not about your country, it's not about where you are. When it comes to entertainment, this is our field. We know how it works. We are into the management of artists and promotion in this country, Nigeria. So if you are outside Nigeria and you want to become popular in Nigeria, Nigerian music is not limited to Nigerians alone. That is the point that so many people are missing. Nigerian music is not limited to only Nigerians. It is something that is global, right? So a lot of people are in the game. So thinking that maybe it is just for here, that is where the error is. Get what I mean? If you're thinking that it's just for Nigerians, it's just for Lagos, it's just for Nigeria, it's not. That's an error. If you want to tap into the Nigerian music industry, you can be from Cameroon, Tanzania, Ghana. You can be from any place in the world, even from America, and you are trending in Nigeria. You are a trending artist in Nigeria. That is the point I'm trying to relate to so many people, but they didn't get the point. They were thinking it was fight. So many people came to my comment section. They were saying, Nigeria, they need to ban Nigeria. They need to give them 28. Even if you like, don't even air Nigerian music in your country. Social media is where the people are consuming these things now. Are you getting the point? Social media is the place now to consume content. So you can't ban Facebook in your country, you can't ban Instagram in your country, you can't ban Boomplay in your country, you can't ban Twitter, you can't ban Spotify and iTunes and the rest of them. So when you are talking about try to ban in radio stations, how many people listen to radio stations even in Nigeria? Do you get what I mean? There are not much people like that. That people are not paying attention to. People move around with their phones now, and they are doing things. You get what I mean? So it's not about a particular place, because this is where the mistake is. Because you are thinking in your head that it's just in a particular sport, right? It's not about the sport. It's about how the thing has gone global. You know, it's not a global thing. It's not something that you can be in Jamaica and you're listening to Nigerian music. You are streaming and they're making money and they're getting paid. You get what I mean? So how far, Cameroonians? How far, with all the agitation, with all the quarrel, with all the comments, with all those things? I want to get your reaction in the comment section. How far have it gone all those while? You get what I mean? How far have it gone all those while? Like, how many people has blown out from your country? You know, how has it helped the industry over there since you banned Nigerian music? Or did you finally did not go ahead to ban it? You know, because you people have made that suggestion that Nigerian music had to be banned. The other guy that called himself a comedian that couldn't even crack any joke said they need to ban Nigerian music completely. That Naira Marley is abusing and corrupting the people coming to smoke Igbo, and he was abusing Naira Marley that is even bigger than the industry in Cameroon as a whole. Yes, only Naira Marley can change the scenario in that Cameroon. I'm sure of what I'm saying. He's big. The kind of artist he managed here in Nigeria is shaking the world all over the place. So tell me one artist in Cameroon now that can be compared to any of Naira Marley's artists or Naira Marley himself. So when you talk, sometimes when you want to fight the right battles. You know, don't go and fight because someone else is fighting. Don't inherit someone else's enemy, and because you don't know what's going on, or you just want to talk, or you just want to get. Now, where is the fame now? I can't remember that guy's name. Something international, CY International rather. CY International. International, my brother. You are local. You're not international. Although you gain a little bit fame from those your videos and those your talks then, but where are you now? How far? Do you get? Because we're just busy talking and ranting and condemning. You can't stop Nigerian music. It's our time. It's our time. Everybody knows, even the devil knows. Yes, we paid our dues. We listened to other music. We paid. When Jaru, they were raining. 50 Cent, Akon, Awilo Logomba from Africa, Kofi Olami, all these guys reigned when Nigerian music were nowhere to be found. We paid, we patronized them, we never banned them, we actually promoted them, called them for shows and paid them millions. They made a lot of money. Even till tomorrow, Awilo is a very good friend of our country, Nigeria. You know, this is what I expect from all these other smaller countries, all these our neighboring countries. They should learn how to take advantage of what is happening at the moment, and it will help them. Yes, because that is how we got to where we are. We did not get to where we are because we wanted to ban them, because we learn, right? You learn. You must learn something. If you want to make progress in life, learn something. Just keep learning. You know, we learn from Awilo. We learn from. That's how you see our music. That's the kind of versatile style in Nigerian music, because you can see we have Awilo inside it, we have hip hop inside it, we have Ghanaian music inside it. Just take for instance Ghana. You know, Ghana has always been a good friend to Nigerian music, and we collaborate a lot. We have a lot of collaborations from Ghana. Even recently, a lot of collaboration that's trending. Ghanaian music are trending here. Just like you won't even know the difference between Nigeria and Ghana music, because these guys, they are following the trend. They are following the good step of Nigerian music. No jealousy, no fight. Understand? So this is the video I want to make today. I want Cameroonians and anybody that can comment on this video to tell me how far after the banning, after a year now, where I thought maybe by now Cameroon would have been ahead of the game. You know how it is. So please, that's how it is. I'm going to leave this video here today. If you're new, subscribe to my channel, share this video. God will bless you, and I'll also see you in the next video. Okay, remain blessed and bye.